The North Food Exchange is a mega-trading, PEZA-accredited, modern, functional, and efficient market complex which is designed to service the interests of farmer producers, wholesalers and retailers, small and medium entrepreneurs, consumers and purchasers, and users of agricultural products and byproducts, and has been designed to increase income of farmers and fishermen, create more savings, and create a competitive agro-fishery economy. It plays a crucial role in an economic system developed to help achieve the vision of a strong middle-class Filipino. Which is why, throughout the years, the North Food Exchange has been supported by 4 Filipino presidents. Strategically located, the North Food Exchange sits at the center of North Luzon's major infrastructural developments. The North Luzon Expressway. The 84-kilometer North Luzon Expressway is one of the Philippines' main road arteries and has traffic of over 160,000 cars per day. The Balagtas Interchange. It is a 10-minute drive from the Balintawak exit and has been funded by the national government. The North Rail Cargo Handling Facility. It is an 80-kilometer railway system from Caloocan to Clarkfield, Pampanga. In addition to these, we also have the MacArthur Highway, the Balagtas Municipal Port, and the East-West Connector Road, which serves as the food exchange's link to the MRT-7. A product of a decade's worth of researches, the North Food Exchange takes off from successful cooperatives, agricultural food exchanges, and distribution models of